everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Kwababa from the 22nd to the 26th of June 2026 on Monday. Bahumi and her family fall out and Zwe has to pick up her pieces. Domsane's house is on fire and Kethiwe's secret hangs in the balance on Tuesday. Zwelakhe discovers a thief hiding in plain sight. Mhlaba laments his failures. Mxolisi hatches a plan to rescue Kethiwe from falling flat on her face at the launch on Wednesday. Zwelakhe's big day is overshadowed as Domsane makes his move for control, while tension between the Mkizes and Mudaung begin to boil on Thursday. Bahumi makes a tough decision on her father's behalf. Mhlaba successfully plays Zwelakhe, and Kethiwe is caught off guard when she gets home on Friday. Domsane arrives at the Mdaunges and sing like a canary, while Mambokazi and Zandile release the weight that has been pressing on their heart. Makhumalo comes to grip with Mxolisi's relationship with his wife. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.